Easter Bunny hides eggs too.
I wonder if he hid any eggs. Look.
These are for my candy.
Yeah.
See my candy bunny?
Let me see. Awesome. Do you think the Easter Bunny hid any eggs around here anywhere? Like over here, maybe?
I got new clothes.
Ooh, that's like an Easter egg shirt.
Cool shirt.
Get out of that video, please. Why don't you go over that way?
Well, turn Savannah around so I could see her.
I'm playing one.
Hold on. Whoa.
Wow. Meech found a big egg.
That's a huge egg.
What's this green one?
That's another egg. I wonder if there's any more.
Dimitri found another big egg.
Happy Easter, little girl. Happy Easter, little girl. Hey.
Yeah.
Happy Easter. Hi. Oh my God, you got snotty nose. Her got snotty nose. Grandpa, why don't you get her Easter thing? Oh. Dimitri, look at, I think that,
You're gorgeous. Should I take her out of the stroller?
There's a pink one.
That's pink for girls.
Yeah.
That means it's mine. Can I have it?
Yeah. I got that for her.
you got that for her?
Don't get me in the video.
I'm not.
Wow, what is that?
Hey, what else is in that Easter basket? Hey, you got an Easter bunny. How awesome is that?
Carrots. A carrot.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness, he's
carrot.
got a
Look it.
carrot.
Oh, beans.
Look at Savannah.
Look at Savannah. Wow, what is that, Savannah? Well, I'm not putting it in my
air.
Oh.
Oh, the bunny's really heavy.
It is. Oh, I think you put those in water and they hatch. You put that in water and it hatches, but we have to put it in water. So put that on the table. We'll put it in water so it'll hatch.
That's my alien.
I don't know what's in there.
Alien.
I think it might be a chicken or something. I don't know. We'll have to check it out. Yeah, that's...
Yeah, it cracked.
It's going to be an argument.
Yes, I know.
Look it. Look it.
Hold on.
The movies.
Awesome.
Look at the movies.
All right.
Look at the movies. Spider-Man.
Awesome.
Spider-Man.
Cool.
Oh, she wants it.
Do you want it?
Here, let me just eat it, she says.
Person.
Wow, Meech, you made out like a bandit. You got some big Legos this year.
Penny.
All right.
Penny.
Let's see.
Penny carrot.
Yeah, candy carrots.
I'm letting her down her bunny. Let go of the bunny. It's hot.
Oh, here, give me your hand. Put your hand out. Hold it. Oh, it's a baby chicken. Put your hand out. Here,
Hold
let
it,
us hold
Meech.
it. Let's hold it. You put that thing down real quick.
He's not done going through his loot, Mom.
Hey, is there stuff in those eggs in there? There's big eggs in there. Is there stuff in those? Do you think? there.
A truck.
Oh, look at that. Is that a garbage truck?
Yeah, see, look at
Yeah.
it. Doesn't do it.
Well, no, it's a Matchbox car.
It's a pretend garbage truck.
This is not a real garbage truck because it's little.
That was. I'm not taking it.
What was in there?
Nothing. I didn't put anything in this.
Where'd he go?
This is going to be a problem.
You want Dad to put it together, bud?
Those are kind of hard. Even the Easter Bunny has a hard time with those.
The baby leg.
You want Dad
Easter
to
Bunny
put it
has a hard
together?
time with those too.